Hey friends, who's hungry? This dump and go cowboy soup recipe requires no chopping and is ready in under 30 minutes. In a large stock pot, cook 2 pounds of ground beef over medium heat until it's no longer pink. Be sure to break up the meat into bite-sized pieces as it cooks. Using a slotted spoon, remove the cooked ground beef from the pot and set aside. Drain the grease from the pot, then return the ground beef to the pot. Add 1 12-ounce bag of frozen mixed vegetables and 1 28-ounce bag of frozen hash browns with peppers and onions. This might also be called potatoes O'Brien. Stir and cook for 2 minutes. Stir in 2 teaspoons of minced garlic and cook for 30 seconds. Then add 2 10-ounce cans of Rotel tomatoes, 2 15-ounce cans of ranch-style beans, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cumin, and 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder. Finally, pour in 2 cups of tomato juice and 2 cups of beef broth. Bring the liquid to a boil, then reduce the heat to medium-low, cover, and cook for 15 minutes until the soup is heated through and the vegetables are tender. Season the soup with salt and pepper to your preference. Looking for more recipes? Be sure to follow me.